Hey everybody, in this week's video we're going to sneak this 27-foot Class A motorhome into a VanLife festival. Can we pull it off?
Yes, we can pull it off!
Alright, now I know what you're thinking. There's no way they're going to be able to pull this off. This thing's 15,000 pounds, it's like 12 feet tall. But we've got a couple of pieces of essential VanLife kit that I think is really going to sell this. We've got a solo stove. We've got a drone. We've got 300 watts of solar. We've got a Jackery. We've got a Berkey water filter. We've got a dope pour-over setup. We've got a kid. Is that not van life? We've got local craft beer. It's gonna work.
Dad's first.
I'm still sketched out about this turn.
We're off to Vanarky in our van.
It's my favorite part of Arkansas. It looks like the Shire out here. Just ready for a bunch of hobbits to come right out of the woods. There's a van lifer. Wow. We found it. Vanarky. Hey, do we know this person?
Here you go.
Right here? With the hair? From Gutted?
Okay, so you have a premium pass. We gotta figure that out. Everybody gets a raffle ticket if you want any more. Paige, you're gonna be at site 10.
Okay.
But we are having an issue with site 10, right? The electrical's not working.
Well, we have solar. We should be okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, then roll in there into site 10. There is another van there. It's a small van.
Okay.
But they should have left you room.
Okay.
Yeah, grab you some coffee and beer.
Cool.
Alright guys, we made it in. So far I don't think they suspect a thing.
Well, we were...
Paige was given a funny look when she told them we were in a premium van spot.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's actually an RV spot. Technically. It's got hookups and stuff, so. Yeah.
Slipper thing. I'm almost to the workshop.
Okay.
We're finally feeling a little bit more set up here at Vanarky, and there's a workshop starting 4 minutes ago. So I'm making myself a cup of tea because it's really chilly and I want to bring that with me to go sit and listen about Leave No Trace. I started some corn chowder for dinner and it is just simmering here, looking good. Yeah, it's just really chilly and I haven't made any friends yet because I haven't really left the RV because I'm a little bit antisocial, in case you didn't know that already. But yeah, there's vans and dogs everywhere and it's very exciting.
Vanarky is all starting to fill in. We've got camp set up here. About to light the fire and have dinner by the solo stove. It's a little bit chilly, but it's good. It's good camping weather.
Yeah.
You're done simmering, Mom.
Okay. I want to hang out for a second. And then I'll go do it.
You've got a table head. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I was so hungry.
The fire's going now, y'all.
Hello.
Hello. Henry, you're looking awful cool. I like your food face.
You can probably take your sunglasses off now.
Yeah, sunset behind that cabin over there. You guys check out this view. I got solo stove, I got chowder, I got bacon, I got beautiful Paige butt, and then I've got the Boxley Valley. We're near the Buffalo River.
Did you bring your drone? Go scope
No,
it out?
I never blew the sand out. Y'all aren't getting any van life drone shots on this trip.
But we can walk around with the GoPro into all of the vans.
Yeah, we can throw the GoPro way up in the air.
Just throw it.
Just fling it. I'll put it in 240 frames per second. We'll put it in slow motion. It'll be like a drone shot. The band is going to be playing. Ben Miller Band. A band that we've seen many times. It's going to be playing over here. They're going to be singing through a telephone here in a minute. You're gonna light your ass on fire.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Now what? Good morning. If you arrive at a campground around the midnight hour,
midnight 15.
yeah, please consider not blasting your music for several hours thereafter. For the people around you may not be out and about, you may not see them, and that's because they're cozy in their beds attempting at sleep. But today's gonna be a good day. Yeah, we're gonna make some breakfast tacos this morning. Do you like breakfast tacos?
Yeah.
We've been doing them with the egg fried instead of scrambled because everybody likes that better. It's better. And we got some bacon yesterday on the way in at the little campground store, so we're gonna put some bacon in them. This is Henry's butt. He's got a string I need to trim. What else is happening this morning, guys? Any plans?
No plans.
You wanna say good morning?
Good morning. I'm gonna go make some coffee. Comb my hair. I forgot to tell you guys, we fixed the vacuum. 6 weeks in the desert with no vacuum at all, but we needed a replacement battery. We ordered one, and we're clean people again. Oh, Henry, what's the first step to making breakfast tacos? Do you know?
Making bacon.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna be making this bacon inside or outside?
Might as well do it inside.
Inside. We're being antisocial this morning as repayment for all the country music at 1 o'clock in the morning.
It's warm in here.
Yeah, it's nice in here. Let's do it. Let's take advantage of the fact that we're a big van that has a propane heater. Yeah. Van life.
This is really amazing.
These good looking, ridiculously good looking tacos. Dang. Is that good?
Yeah.
We forgot to tell you guys, so far, no one suspects a thing. No one said anything. One guy even came in the RV and walked around. He was real quiet. I think he was suspicious. But we're just tucked in here amongst all these vans. Take a look. Vans. More vans. And us. The honorary van, the secret van, the stealth van. We'll have to do it more often. We're gonna go tour some vans. Hang on, y'all are blurry. I was getting some close-ups of breakfast. Got too close up. Got too close to breakfast. That looks better.
Do we look better?
Yeah.
We're on a scavenger hunt.
We're gonna go tour some vans. Henry's stoked. He can't wait.
You wanna go look in the other door? Let's peek around.
This one's definitely sweeping vintage.
That's just some computer graphic person that's trying to keep up with the trend.
Oh, the swivel seat. That's cool.
That's why they kept the same body.
E-Type. This is dope. Super dope.
Oh, this is 77.
That's
Very cool.
Okay, that's
but
gonna
that's
be
what I'm talking about. They're like, oh, this makes
more than 20 years old, but still shiny.
Yeah. What did you find, Henry?
A spare tire on the front of a van.
It's on the front. You know how little this van is? That's so cool.
We have some belts here.
There you go.
It's gonna hold my pants
You think so? All right, I'm gonna double stuff it.
You're repping Kuwait. That's cool, Henry Butt.
Cool, man. I think that was fun. Oh, you got it. Mom was on it.
I'm on it
Mom got the
sometimes.
shot.
Sometimes.
Mom got the
I
shot.
remember to take it.
What's up?
Stuff.
Yeah, see it says Fiesta and it's got the thing.
Did you plug the lights in?
Where am I?
No, it's just getting like, it's the giant white one. It's
the RV.
It's, no,
The
van. Really
Your giant van, the Fiesta.
Yes.
Love her. She's
Yes,
gorgeous.
it's got an
Our
old,
awning
it's got an old
sucks.
like Dometic style awning on it.
Oh, cool, yeah,
And
yeah.
so it needs to be replaced.
But we make an adhesive anchor you can
Okay.
buy separately, and you just pop this on. The roof is better, but the side you can make it work.
How far up
Yeah.
can we do?
I would say about 10 feet is your max.
It's 12 feet tall, but that doesn't mean we have to put the thing all the way at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can't reach up there anyway to hook it up to it anyway.
We're not tall people. So.
Yeah, totally. You can check that off. That'll take that to the bank. That's,
Okay, 400
That's
watts
more than
or
400.
more of solar. You want to check it off here? We
off.
have to because we accidentally checked it, so now we have to find one.
Oh. All right.
Next.
This one's numbered. This one's competing. Oh, it's like it's in the shape of a Gibson SG in the wall. I don't think it's actually an SG in the wall. No, that's a fixed bed.
Fixed bed.
Looks dope.
So I think there's plenty of
You like that?
Yeah.
Obviously, it's smaller than our rig, but like this is, I feel like, such a livable amount of space. What do you think, Mom? This is a Murphy
This one's
bed.
for you.
That's a really nice Murphy bed.
One's for you.
Guys, this is every bit as much floor space as our RV has. Look, they stitched their travel cinematic.
Where?
It's there.
Oh, cool.
It's embroidered.
That's so.
Mom, you should totally do that. Got a RAM mount for the iPad up there.
Yeah.
I think we've got Van Brewed coffee.
Coffee, Henry.
Look at
Check
that
it out.
Berkey though.
So this is something a little unique on the vans is we use a utility sink for our shower pan.
Okay.
And then we can just, I've got a mount that I built that hangs the faucet up here on
Off
the
of some of the
L-track.
L-track.
Yeah, and then we just hang our curtain up here when
This
we're...
is super cool. John's giving me a tour of his rig here, and I haven't seen this much custom like mounting stuff. The L-track with the RAM mounts all through. This is really cool.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Got our Dometic fridge down here, our slide out.
Oh, nice.
It pulls out, and then we have our pantry here that matches about the same height,
Yeah.
same size.
Goes over
Then
there.
access to a
Oh.
vacuum cleaner.
We're
and
also rocking a
everything.
Dyson in ours.
Yeah.
That's the way to live,
It is.
right?
It's so simple.
This is nice. Look at that fridge.
Yeah. They've done a custom bed back there. The Travados.
Oh, look. This
the,
is another little jump seat.
the Travados usually have side-by-side beds with an insert in the middle, but this is all, you can see it's dimensional lumber back there, so they've done a custom bed in the back of
Yeah.
theirs. Oh yeah, there's a front drive shaft.
Okay.
Oh wait. That might be front wheel drive. No, there's a rear drive shaft too. Definitely 4x4.
Man, check it out, fellas. Oh, Dad.
So Saturday at Vanarky has been pretty dope so far. I've gotten a sunburn in November because that's how my skin rolls. We've seen some pretty sweet rigs, and a bunch of people have come by to check out the RadWagon, so that's cool. We got some new subs. We met you today. Thanks for hanging. Super fun. Look, guys, we blend right in. It's got solar on the roof. We're not the only one with an air conditioner. You can't even tell it's not a van.
It's a big van.
It's just a big old van. See? Sweet van. We're not the only ones that snuck in.
Hey, what are you doing?
I've optimized dad life.
DIY, so do it yourself. This one goes to Bill and Lisa King, Vandemic. 042062.
Wrong number.
Oh, that's us! Henry, go up there!
Go get your hat.
Yeah, can you take it? All right.
Take it back. Boom! Henry, that's so cool, dude!
You won!
Woo! Yeah.
That's super cool, dude.
The band is still playing. What did she call it? The No Man Band.
No man band.
Because she's not a one-man band, because she's not a man. So tomorrow's like very low-key. It's like breakfast and then go, I think. Is that the
Breakfast
plan?
and get the f out, I think, is the official plan for tomorrow. Vanarky's been fun. Only one person called us out for being an RV. But it was another RV, another Class A showed up today.
Oh, well, they were just trying to be like, hey,
We were on the level. I
we're
was
both
like, what's
big
up, dog?
mans,
Yeah.
you know. You look so cozy.
No.
We'll see you in the morning and we'll make breakfast. We say that to Henry every night.
Tell them night night something else.
Night night.
Stop fishing.
Hi everybody. We're pretty behind on stickers here, so I'm just gonna stick them up. We got a solo stove sticker. That one's kind of new. We got these yesterday. This event was supporting the Buffalo River Foundation, which is a really cool organization that's helping to protect the land around the Buffalo River here. The painted desert, we gotta get that up. That's getting old. Petrified forest, same stop.
And what you got going this morning?
Building Tinker Toy Mushrooms.
Tinker Toy mushrooms. That's cool. It's been a rad weekend here at Vanarky in the Ozarks. Everyone was very welcoming of our plus-sized van. And it's Sunday morning and everyone's packing up. So we're gonna do the same. Head back home. Thanks for coming with us.
Yeah.
It was fun, bye-bye.
Did we fit in with the vans?
I don't know.
Yes, we did. We totally pulled it off, and everyone thought we were a van. Paige was out of character. We need a snack. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. You should subscribe to our videos. Eat snacks.
We eat snacks and take our RV places it doesn't belong and make it work, and it's fun.
That is kind of what we do.
That's pretty much what we do. That's kind of our deal. Henry, you ready to roll?
Yeah.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. We'll see you next time.